Just a few weeks ago, during a meeting with editors of national newspapers, President Emmerson Mnangagwa challenged anyone who felt that entrepreneur and socialite Wingino Chivaya was cornered to report to the police. Sanabina mashoko panapa wanaokona panapa chiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika uita zifu akazvifura mugumbo auri kuyanyora chiti uncanny way of shooting oneself in the foot vachiti aiwa zvavakataura nezviri kuitika paground panguva inoi zvinonyatso kuratidza kuti zvinhu izvi aiwa hazvisi kana kutombobatana. Sanabina mashoko amudanyora panapa ndobva usubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa news day amudanyora chiti he dismissed claims that Chivayo was his friend, saying he did not have access to such large sums of money. He also refuted allegations that he was funding Chivayo's questionable charity activities and also denied knowledge of his seemingly bottomless pit of cash. Responded Mnangagwa, where would I get the money to give him? Investigate where you think I'm getting the money to give Chivayo to distribute, rather than wasting my time worrying about someone who is using his own money. You can't bother me about someone who is philanthropic. If anyone's money was stolen, then you should report to the police. A few days later, social media was awash with pictures of Mnangagwa Chivayo and his then wife to be Lucy Lulu Muteke at what we were meant to believe was State House. The pictures raised questions about the nature of Chivayo's relationship with the head of state. Chivayo had gone to introduce Lulu to the president just before he went to pay Lobola, so we were made to understand. Chivayo later posted that he was now a Mukwasha son-in-law to the president. He had married into Shumba clan. Tomashiko anomuda panapa unochereza questions achiti aiwa mashoko anotaurwa nemutungamiri wenyika achiti aiwa imari dzake and havazi attributed or linked. Panapa achizoona agonoroora anozoonekwa kuti anotanga vaenda nekumutungamiri wenyika. Zvakareza questions vanhu vari kuti panguva inoi aiwa zvakuconfuse macitizens. Mbotodza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pene comment section medu dzimafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.